KV, Hoskote Taluk, Kolturu, Bangalore Rural. I've got a very good piggery farm near my village. I got nearly 1,000 pigs in my farm. Especially, I can tell you, all bachas in my farm. Especially, I can sell nearly one year, nearly 300, 400 bachas I am selling. Only one bachas rate is 4,500 rupees. In that, especially I can sell some animals to Nagaland, 1 lakh 25,000 rupees. I got this very good farm. But any people who wanted me, please come and ask me about the about piggery farm. Any more thing? Hello? That is all. Yes. About